transforming 12 volts up to 40,000 volts. That's what these little high performers can create in fractions of a second. Today we are looking at ignition coils. Did you know that Bosch manufactures tens of millions of them each year in their own production sites on 3 continents? Damn, that's a lot of experience if you ask me. But we will give you some more reasons why you should rely on Bosch ignition coils in this episode of Tech Nuggets. So let's start with the early beginnings. In 1897, the foundation for modern ignition systems was laid. This was a breakthrough that finally would make the automobile an everyday mode of transportation. Racing legends proved the great performance of Bosch ignition systems. The new product paved the way for Robert Bosch's small courtyard entrance workshop to become a global company. That was the history, and now we will dive a little deeper into technical details. This is Felix. He is working as an expert for ignition coils at Automotive Aftermarket. Hi Felix.
Hi Wolfgang.
What does Bosch stand for in the area of ignition systems?
Well, Bosch produces since decades in its own production sites. We have a lot of experience and know-how, and we are one of the leading OE suppliers.
Now, what exactly indicates quality and durability in a Bosch ignition coil?
There are a lot of criteria for quality. An important one is the internal dielectric strength.
What does that mean?
That means the ignition coil is protected against electrical breakdown.
And how is Bosch doing this?
First, we have many in-house developed and patented design features. They ensure accurate internal distances.
And second?
We use special materials for the main internal components of the coil. Some of them are even specifically developed for our Bosch coils.
Okay, and the third point?
Stable manufacturing and release processes with a 100% functionality test for each coil.
So, what can happen if one chooses a coil of lower quality?
I have here an example. If you can see here, there's a crack outside at the surface. This comes from the internal dielectric strength, which was not given.
What does that mean for the driver?
The driver will feel this immediately, so the car is not running well, you have a stuttering engine, maybe you get unburned fuel to the catalytic converter.
So the car needs to come to the workshop. Tell us, Felix, what is the benefit for the mechanic when using a Bosch ignition coil?
The mechanic can be convinced offering to their customers a high quality and reliable product. So I would say, happy drive, happy life.
Sounds good. Thank you for these insights. Let's look at some more benefits that Bosch ignition coils stand for. Proven and tested quality based on the standards that also apply for original equipment. More than 300 part numbers available for a large variety of applications within Europe, from classic car to hybrid drive. Most important parts on stock at Bosch warehouse. And plug-and-play replacement due to precise fit to respective engine. If you want to dig even deeper, refer to the Bosch website linked at the bottom.